What's going on, guys? It's Ryan with Anything RC, and today we are checking out the little Sprintjet. They just came out with this. It's a 9-inch self-riding jet boat by Horizon Hobby Pro Boat, and we're gonna open it up and see what comes inside. So you get your jet boat there, of course. Look at that. Then it comes with the stickers. Looks like you gotta sticker it up yourself, however you want to sticker it. This is gonna come with the radio that I have never seen before. So the jet boat comes with a 2-piece radio. It looks like you have a handle here. Weird. And that clips into your handle here and locks in, and you just push up and pull back and it disassembles. I've never seen that ever. So that's neat and interesting. I was not expecting that. Okay, so that's how you drive your jet boat. It's also going to come with a little stand here. Comes with a little stand for the jet boat. There you guys go. Some AAA batteries. You get your 2-cell LiPo battery and a charger that charges through the balance lead. Alright, that's what comes inside the box. Thank you guys for watching. Everybody have a great day.
Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that bell.